CEXIO season 2 is here, so and they have upgraded their platform. It is now looking so complex, and I'm going to guide you on how we can mine it without stressing out things. So let me quickly open it up and you see. So it's loading, but before that, let us check their community to see what they have for us in their community. So it's loading up. Let's wait for it to load. Now let's confirm. So in their community, they said, okay, season 2 is here, and we want to give a shout out to our supporters from season 1. So I have been mining this from season 1, so they upgraded to season 2 now. So your referral will be automatically moved to season 2, and the OG miners card move your CEXP from season 1 to. So you can find it permanently displayed on the mine tab, special categories. So they introduced cards, they move our referrals down to season 2, and let's see how it really looks like. And I think they have been talking about season 2 since August 20 or related like that. They have been talking about season 2 for a very long time. So we are going to dive straight into the project to see how it looks like. So I'm going to go back now. Let me click on start tapping CEXIO. So for those of us that have not even mined this project, I'll drop the link in the description below. I want you to start right now because this is a project that you can't just try to miss it. Yes, this really look nice and the interface has been upgraded truly. Yes, I've been tapping this. As you can see, while you are away, you mine this much crypto, come back every 4 hours. So that means every 4 hours I'll be getting bonus, just like the way Hamster did their own, but this one is 4 hours. So how do we start from here? The first thing is for us to click. So clicking is going to add up. So another thing is for us to click on mine. So we click on mine here. We can get cards. You can see all these cards here. See all these cards. So you can actually purchase these cards. Well, let me just try to purchase one. Let me say I purchase this one. So you can use card and we can use stars. So for example, if I want to use stars now, you can see, but you click on stars now, it will be asking me that I will be charged this amount of stars. And why am I going to use stars when I can use the coin I mined? So another thing is, let's click on this task to see what is on the task. So I click on task. So on the task here, so just complete all these simple. In fact, all this all this coin they're giving us is very. The thing you have to start early, like just start early. So if you miss out on season 1, don't miss out on this season 2. Very, very important. Don't miss out on this season 2. Don't miss out on this season 2. So that is just about that. And squad. So this squad is going to show the people you have referred and your mining per hour. So it's loading up. Let's wait for it to load. When they just launched it, there's possibility that it's going to be hanging or slow down due to traffic, and we all know how the server looks like. So let's wait for it to load. As it's loading, let's click on this mine. So on this mine now, you're going to see your coin balance here. You're going to see the coin you are mining in season 1. So we're just starting now. It is good for you to start now, start early. And this place mining and this is my crypto balance. So we can see that we have 4 features here. We have mining, we have power, we have business, and we have special. So don't forget, as you are tapping, don't forget to buy all these things with the coin. And with the look of things now, this coin is not really your thing, but by the time you buy the card, so make sure you keep buying the card so that whenever you're not online, card you bought, the higher the coin you will get in the next that you're not online. So that's how this works. As for me now, I'll just click on mine. As you click on mine, you can see that I will just be able to buy these cards. So just buy them and make sure you complete all the tasks. So if I should, I think I've joined this W coin game. Let me check. So it's going to add up to my balance if the network is strong, because I've good. You can now claim your reward. So I think it has added. Let me see how it works. So you can try to refer people can you see that has added to my balance? So because I know I've joined them before, so that's about that. So the interface is very simple. Just follow the instruction that is there. So as you click on work, so my own work is just to what, tap, and I am giving 1000 tap. It's going to recharge by itself. So once I'm done tapping now, to tap out this 1000, and within, I think, about 1 hour it's going to recharge back to 1000, between 30 minutes to 1 hour. As you can see, the airdrop is very close. Airdrop is very close. So as you click on airdrop now, let me click on airdrop. As you can see, it's going to take me to the roadmap for me to see, yes, truly their airdrop is close. We are seeing this now. Just don't jump. And they said the airdrop is coming in Q4, and we are presently in Q4. Q4 is between October, November, December. I think September, October, November, December. So we have 4 months. So anything can come up between next month. So we have about a month now to start this project right away. So that is how it works. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. It's free. Subscribe to the channel, and I will be dropping much more updates like this video. Thank you so much.